Today is Friday, Parashat Bereshit. In the parasha of this week, there is the somewhat unfortunate episode of Adam HaRishon who ate from Etz Hadat. He ate from the tree of knowledge and from a fruit that was forbidden to him, according to our sages. That was only forbidden for a number of hours on Friday afternoon. He would have been permitted on Shabbat, but he didn't follow instructions. He ate from it, and that was a sin that for generations thereafter we're sort of fixing that sin, tikkun, chet Adam HaRishon. But what was this thing about the tree of knowledge? It's a tovera, tree of knowledge of good and bad. And Rabbi Dessler explains that the problem that occurred after he ate from Etz Hadat is the good and bad became mixed up. Meaning that before he ate from Etz Hadat, things were very clear. Yetzer hara was there, the evil inclination was there, but he was there sort of outside of Adam HaRishon. And he could tell the difference between good and bad, just like you can tell the difference between day and night. You know, it's either when it's dark, it's night, and when the sun is up, it's day. So the choices were very clear. But Etz Hadat Tovera, which means the tree of knowledge, good and bad, the good and bad became mixed together. And the Yetzer hara, the evil inclination, went somewhat inside of Adam HaRishon. So he had much more difficulty making the right choices. And that difficulty continues throughout the times thereafter, when sometimes we want to take a decision, and on one alternative is good, but has bad mixed in with it. The other alternative is bad, but it has good aspects mixed in with it. So the good and bad are sort of mixed together, makes more difficult to make the proper choices. That's what happened as a result of eating from Etz Hadat. And this is something that continues to be a problem. Things are mixed up, it's hard to make decisions because the good and bad are mixed together. Well, the solution is Torah, because when you learn Torah, you know how to make a difference between good and bad. You know how to separate things and how to, because the Torah has to do with what is kasher, what is not kosher, what is tameh, what is tahor, what is pasul, what is not pasul. Many things that are studied in Torah shebichtav, Torah shebe'al peh. As we learn to make the difference and to sort of like know how to analyze and to really make the choices much clearer. So as a person learns more Torah, he's able to separate the good from the bad, where things are not so mixed, where things are much clearer because of all the knowledge that the Torah gives us. And that's why when you have a dilemma as what choices to make, go to ask for the Torah, the opinion of the Torah. Because a person who's learned in Torah can help you sift through the mixture of the good and bad to separate the good from the bad and then to make the right choice. So this is just an insight into what was this thing of Etz Hadat Tovera, the tree of knowledge, good and bad. Good and bad became mixed, but through Torah as we learn it, we're able to separate them and to have much clearer decisions. Baruch Adonai Le'olam, Amen ve'Amen, and Shabbat Shalom.